What's up guys, I'm Preston with Renegade Jeeps, and today we're going to be installing the ATP A-pillar light brackets. I've already installed the driver's side. I just wanted y'all to see what it looks like before we do the installation. But let's go ahead and hop right into that. When you open up your package from ATP, it'll include the bracket, the 10mm bolt, and the nut with the rod on it. So the first step you want to do is take out this rubber piece right here. It just pops right off and slides like that. And the bolt you'll be taking off is that one right there. And what I'll do is use the ratchet to get that one off. Before installing the bracket you got, make sure you got the one for the right side, because there are two different brackets. But what you want to do for this next step is just take the bracket, place it where it needs to be, and put the bolt back in. What I did first was get the bolt in with my fingers. Then I'm going to go in with the wrench, tighten it up. Then to get it tight, you know, I'm going to use the hex wrench to go through the hole. Use it that way, where you can have better grip turning it. That's the reason why you need the hex wrench. For this next part, there is the other bolt is right here, and the bolt that came with the bracket, the 10mm one. You'll stick it through there. You'll use the rod with the nut on it, and you'll go in right behind that, and there is a little plastic piece right there, so you'll have to push that down. You'll come out on the other side, and that's where you'll screw in the bolt. Very simple. Glad they put that bar right there on that nut. As you can see, the bar is right here. I'm moving it. And I've installed the bolt. After that, you can take your LED light pod and put it on, and you are all set. Then you'll have the finished product over here, what I showed y'all before. And all you have to do is wire it up afterwards. Then you're set. Is take your trim pieces, put it on, line it up where you want it, then get a Sharpie or a pen and mark it where your bracket is and cut little slits, then reinstall it, and it'll install perfect. Be sure to check us out on Instagram or our Facebook group. They're Renegade Jeeps, and thanks for watching.